I'm scared. What if I poop?
Oh, well.
What if I pee?
We'll try to make sure that doesn't happen. There you go. See, that was easier. Why don't you go? Keep breathing. There we go. See? Yep. Perfect.
Oh, God.
Deep breath. Okay, I'm going to adjust her SI joints next. Her right one first.
Oh.
There. And then her left SI joint. And then her sacrum right in the center, which is, I think, where she's getting most of her problem from. But she's also got a coccygeal misalignment, which we're going to adjust exteriorly just by pulling the soft tissue up. There we go.
I'm going to have to send you a bill for that.
There we go.
Oh my God.
That's a very effective adjustment for that, though.
My God. Oh.
Yeah. It's tight right up here.
Oh.
You got a heavy head. You must have a lot on your mind.
Oh my God. Oh.
Bring your head up and over your shoulders. That'll help that burning. And then your clavicles. Here, this also helps your upper back pain. Your coccosternal joints right here. There we go. You should have felt that in your knee and your low back.
Yep.
Very good. There we go. Same thing there. Drama queen.
You know how I gotta do it.
There we go.
My strong milk coming out. Okay.
Yep.
I'm gonna go to sleep now.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, my upper back feels so good.
Mm-hmm. Should help take care of a lot of that burning. There you go. Hold that right there for a minute. There. And we'll get this one here.
outro lado. Vai ajustar o sacro agora. Respira bem fundo agora. Bem fundo. Puxa o ar. Solta o ar, relaxa bem. Tá ótimo. Muito bom. Respira bem fundo. Relaxa bem. Ótimo. Excelente. Você vai levantar um pouquinho sua cabeça, assim, ó, deixa a cabeça alta, não abaixa, tá bom? Pode respirar fundo, solta o ar, relaxou, solta. Ótimo, perfeito.
Let this right shoulder drop. There you go. Turn your head this way, please. Shoulder. Roll back over it. Oh, that moved better than last time. There we go. That was good. I always try to recommend at least 2 to 3 visits. Oh, that moved better than last time too.
Yes, yeah.
Because the first time I adjust you, especially if you haven't been adjusted in a while, relax this wrist for me, let your shoulder loose, is that the first time is like breaking the rust off the hinges. But that second and that third adjustment that you get, it feels so powerful and you can feel so much better in just a short amount of time. So elbow, and everything is moving so much better on you than last time. AC joint, we did his first rib. Relaxes. Good. Good. I can move too. Nice. He was on a bicycle and got hit by a car. Oh, and that moved a lot better than last time too. That was great. So here we are. He came in yesterday, and I'm already getting a lot better movement, quality movement. Oh, wow. On this adjustment, everything is moving so much better. So if you're going to travel and you're going to be here, come in twice, come in 3 times, and you'll get significant. Good. So that's approximate. Let this drop. There you go. Other side, please. Let's find out. There you go. On your back for me. We'll just set up a little pop-up clinic shop. And if you want me to come to your country or your state, because in the States it's a little easier. Elbows in, head down. Roll back to me. Open up. Take a breath in and out. Beautiful. Come back up.
What are you doing today?
It's really tight after tryouts.
Yeah. Or tryouts 2 days ago? Or what'd you have?
We had tryouts for about 2 weeks, and then we had our final tryout on
Good job. Come around here. Okay, let's go big breath again. Good job. Okay, breath in. And out. Good job. One more.
that one went before.
Yeah.
He's coming from, we're gonna go all the way back, relax back. Good. Very good. Great. So I'm gonna come in, palpate his lumbar spine, see where the areas of dysfunction are. Good. Can feel right in here, the L5 vertebrae. Good. Very good. Here, this arm here, bring the shoulders back. Same thing here. Very good. Yeah, let's see. Any back pain with this?
Nope. Will work, but do you think, like, I don't know, stretching more throughout the day would?
Face down for me first. And then, so I always come through, and the main thing that I come in and check is I have a lot of tension right through here.
we start off, we get some good movement here. She was just a T1 on that left side, a little bit lower, about a T3 on this right here. Good. Bend that top knee. Good. Perfect. Now we'll have you flip to the other side. Same thing over here. Perfect.
Before you even hold it.
So we're going to start right through here. Good. Perfect. And exhale out. Okay, come on up. Yeah. You. Jeez. Alright, hands over mine. I'm gonna have you lean back on me and squeeze your elbows together. No earrings in?
No earrings.
Okay, good. And I like to traction the spine out.
Oh.